Hello and welcome again to another lesson with I, Teacher Martin. And in this lesson, we are going to learn the different names of metals in Kikuyu, okay? Metals, shuma, metals, shuma, metals, shuma, metals, shuma. So we are saying metals is Shuma. So we start with one of the most expensive metal, which is gold. Gold in Kikuyu is the hafu. Then we have the second metal, silver. Silver is, tell me, feather. Feather, you can use F or B in this case, okay? But I use B, feather. Or you can use F, feather. Now the hafu, silver, and gold. Yes, let's go on. Then we have the third metal, which is bronze. Bronze has this Kikuyu name, Gishago. Okay? Gishago. And then we have iron. Iron. Okay? Iron is Kigera. Okay? Kigera. Good. Then we have copper. Copper was given this name, Kegera Kia Robuku. Kegera Kia Robuku. Kegera Kia Robuku. Then we have 6. Lead has, you can call it Kegera Kia Boroforo. Kegera Kia Boroforo. Kana Goshorai. Yes. Goshorai. Kana Kegera Kia Boroforo. Kegera Kia Boroforo. Then 7. We have tin. Okay? Tin, you can say Kegera Kia Ifa. And that is it. May God bless you. Kindly subscribe, share, and continue commenting. God bless you.